cells, division, cycles, life, replication, mitosis, 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 mitosis.
Okay, so first we got the interphase, which is the longest process of the cell cycle. This is where the cell grows and copies its DNA, essentially preparing itself before moving into mitosis. Just right before stepping into the first mitosis process, chromosomes finish duplicating themselves and thicken and coil into thread-shaped chromatins in the distinct nucleolus. Next, we got the prophase. Chromosomes condense into X shapes, forming centrosomes in the middle of the chromosomes and start to form a line. Then the nuclear membrane starts to decay and break down, and two spindle fibers appear at each pole of the cell. Then we have the metaphase. After the X-shaped chromosomes line up in the metaphase plate, the spindle fibers appear to be like string, come from the centrioles and extend in all directions while attaching to the chromosome centromeres from two poles of the cell. Next comes the anaphase, where the chromosomes split into two, and the protein that holds the chromosomes to be broken down, allowing them to separate by the spindle fibers from the centrioles from the opposite poles of the cell. After the anaphase, the chromatids arrive at the opposite end of the cell and start to decondense, and the spindle fibers release the chromatids. The nuclear envelopes start to form around each set of chromatids, and the spindle fibers with the centrioles start to decay and break down. After creating their own nuclear membrane around two sets of chromatids, they continue to push away from each other to form two new cells. Finally comes the cytokinesis. After moving apart to a distance, the cell membranes start to form around two newly formed nuclei with a set of chromatids inside them. Two new cells continue to move apart and start their own new cell cycle and stepping into the interphase again, and will go through mitosis again when they're capable of doing it.